Hi, I'm Buster with A&B Wood Products, and today we're slicing up a bur oak. This thing runs from about 28 inches to about 30 inches in diameter, a little over 15 foot long. No crotches to it, so I'm just expecting a whole lot of just straight grain, clear oak when we chop it up.
All right, guys. Well, we're gonna change, I think, the saw blade, and we'll be back with you in a little while. Bye. Hey, guys. Hey, we're just gonna show you what kind of wood this is gonna look like before we do the saw blade. So far, it's looking pretty promising. That's gonna be some pretty wood. Huh.
Still just expecting a lot of just straight grain.
Still think it's going to be pretty. So these are going to be big enough, guys, to make some pretty countertops, bar tops. This is going to be some nice wood. Actually, so far I'm pretty impressed with this wood. It's got a lot of character to it, really.
Yeah, I was expecting just a whole lot of straight grain. I didn't think that they had allowed any lower branches since it was right next to the driveway.
Well, this is going to be really pretty. Spray out that one up there.
Yeah.
I'll walk behind you so I don't get sprayed. Oh yeah, this would make a really pretty countertop, or like I said, bar top, or oh, this is actually kind of cool. Huh.
Yeah.
So the rest of these are going to be way too heavy for poor old Buster here to lift on his own. So he's going to change that saw blade out, like I said, and we'll show you a little bit of cutting. And then we'll get our brother Glenn out here to help.
Yeah, I'm going to cut all this at 2 inches thick. So we're just doing an actual 2-inch thick cut. Figure even cleaned up, have a nice 1 3/4 thick bar top. Should get 9 slabs out of this that are nice and wide. Make some good countertops.
All right, guys, we'll see you in a few. I haven't changed the blade yet, but I just wanted to tape my husband being an idiot and dragging these big logs off, because he always says he hurts, and then you wonder why.
They're only like 500-pound slabs.
Mm-hmm. Are you in a conundrum?
I'm just trying to get it flipped over.
Mm-hmm. I guess let's spray this one off and let them see this, and then you need to change that saw blade and quit manhandling wood. I think this is really pretty stuff. You said it was going to be boring.
Yeah, I didn't think that that'd be much for any knots. I figured it'd all just be straight.
I think it's really pretty. And you see another limb coming out too. Oh yeah, guys, remember I was telling you that my husband likes to manhandle stuff? This is what he's done in the last couple days. All that wood he's put there by himself. That is so much wood. Anyway, we'll be back after he changes that blade. Bye. Okay, guys, so we have finished cutting this, so
Top one, we're going to bring it this way and then flip it over.
we are going to show you guys what this looks like.
Yeah, get on the other side and catch it. Nice. What are we going to do with it? Just set it over here and flip it over. It's only 400 pounds.
You know, I have no insurance. I don't have a job, so I don't have insurance no more.
Now, yeah, it's got more character than you thought it did.
You want me to do a burnout on your YouTube thing? For an encore, can you do a burnout in my car?
Clarence wants to do a burnout in his car for you guys.
Okay. Now. Just flat down.
Down and roll it over.
God.
That's enough for now. I'm not designed to weigh 400. I'm almost 60 years old. And I'm fat and out of shape, but I don't adjust.
Oh, this is getting really pretty, actually. Huh.
Well, I'm down to less than 3 weeks and I get my senior discount, so.
Can I get that now?
Yeah.
How's that? Tell me when you want your stuff over.
That's good.
Huh?
That's good. Hey, there's a bark inclusion down here. Uh-huh.
You know what's good about it? It's kind of like when you wash a car, you put it on the thing for sale.
Huh.
It's a little better than it really does. Hold on.
Looks like it'd be pretty nice.
Hold on. And roll her over.
Sheesh.
Slid over.
Yeah, there's a bark inclusion. Looks like on maybe both sides. Huh. This is really pretty wood. Let's make a really nice countertop, I think. Huh.
Pretty good, thank you.
Ooh.
This way.
Well, they just got a picture of my big old face because I reversed it.
Alright.
Sorry, guys. Didn't mean to reverse it on me, guys.
Run over. I don't feel sorry for a man that spends that kind of money making work.
Spends that kind of money to what?
To make himself work. I don't know what that thing costs. Awful lot of money to make yourself work.
Saw costs about $65,000.
I don't know where the slabs are getting smaller now.
Huh.
They're getting lighter.
It's interesting.
Okay.
Yeah, this one's much lighter. Getting narrower.
Whatever. Sure.
Huh. That's pretty cool.
No wonder no family wants to come to Stupid.
They know I put him to work. My son today, we told him we'd get him a lawnmower, but he'd have to come and help Kevy. And Kevy's like, I don't think so.
You're in better shape than I am, Buster. But you're younger than me.
Yeah, I'm sure that was.
How old are you, Clarence?
Years make a big difference.
Yeah, and you haven't been a bum for 6 months, 5 months, or however long.
Oh, I'm sure.
All that wood.
Sure, you've been busy doing stuff.
Not this stuff.
No, not this stuff, but you've been busy.
I was moving 2,000-pound totes last year.
Well, see?
Yeah, that's why I'm not there. Yeah, I'll get it to you. That's why I'm not there no more. Because I didn't want to move those totes.
Nice.
They can't treat me better than that after 25 years.
Right? This will make some really pretty countertops. Or bar tables, bar counters, whatever.
Can you clear coat this?
What?
Can you clear coat this?
Yeah.
Yeah, epoxy it.
Yeah, put tabletop resin on it. Make it all smooth.
Have you been selling any of these?
None of these yet. They're
What
still
did
too
my
green.
customer- You him to get some wood and he wanted you to chop it up or something, cut it up?
He never called me.
Oh. Well, I don't think he's got anything yet.
Oh, you want to hose down the last piece? I'm going to take a look at that.
You wanna go show them since I'm kind of like blocked out of here now?
And a few knot holes here. Not a whole lot. Wave to the camera.
Hi, guys. All right, guys.
Are you done with me?
Yep, yeah. You're used up.
Well, thank you, Clarence, for helping.
Alright.
Yeah. If you're in southwest Idaho and have a big log, we can cut it up for you. A&B Wood Products, 208-447-9691. Thank you.
And guys, remember, please like, share, and subscribe. We are almost there. I am thinking about doing something special for somebody that makes us at least to that 500 mark. So subscribe and we'll put everybody's name in a bucket and we'll do something special for you. That one person. Thank you, guys.
Dark there, you
Thank you.
Bye.